welcome to our channel. Today's DIY project is making a candle holder out of $2 Tree bowls. I saw this project floating around social media and wanted to add a touch of Glaze Creations. Move your stickers, of course, from the bottom. That was my first step. I used acetone nail polish remover to remove all the adhesive from the bottom. And then I used my E6000 glue to place around the edges to glue the bowls together. Make sure you verify where the bowls touch so you're not putting extra glue for no reason. I put it in the middle there, but they don't actually touch there. I craft in real time, so you learn as I learn. The acetone actually helps wipe away excess glue too. This is the finished product of them glued together. Then I used my metallic gold. You can use, that's the accent in my living room. You can use any color you want to spray the bowls completely. Spray them in an open air space. I had a balcony, which is perfect. Spray outside if you need to. Never spray in your house unless you have a basement that you do this in with a mask. I made sure to cover fully. That gold just shines on that glass. I love it. This is how it came out. I loved it. It was covered fully. So my next step, I wanted to add drips. I wanted my bowl to look like it was melting, like a melting effect. So I used my high temp hot glue gun to complete this. It works well with glitter for me. It doesn't dry as fast because the temperature is too hot. I got my favorite glitter. I used gold glitter for this, and I'll put that in the description, the brand that I used. I put a piece of aluminum foil up under the bowl because I do not believe in wasting glitter. And so it catches the glitter and I can put it back in the container with the aluminum foil. Feel free to use a paper plate. If saving glitter is not your thing, then just move ahead with the project. The vacuum cleaner is the best way to get glitter up, especially with the hose. But I just used the hot glue gun all around the bowl. I wanted short drips in the back and I wanted longer drips in the front, and you'll see that shortly. You just use more glue on the edge for longer drips and less glue for the shorter drips. And like I said, back to the vacuum cleaner is the best way, especially with the hose. You can get it up off of your hands, off of your equipment, and that's what I use. And I just go around the edges here. The hot glue gun brand that I'm using is a Super Bonder high temp glue gun. I got mine from Walmart. There, you can get them on Amazon, Walmart. The hot glue sticks also from the same places. You get a bigger pack from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, just go around the edges. Here is where I wanted longer drips. So you see I squeezed out more glue in that same spot. You don't really, with the high temp, you don't have to rush as much or rush as fast to get your glitter in place. I mean, I'll have more crafts coming with the high temp hot glue because you can work wonders with that, especially if you use resin for small things. You wouldn't believe that high temp hot glue does some of the same tricks, except for it's more flexible than the resin. Of course, resin turns hard. And here I go around the edges with my hot glue gun all the way around to get the effects of it. That's the Sure, I was showing the brand there, Sure Bonder. I'll put the link in the description as well for that. And remember to just have fun with this project. Be creative, make it your own. There's no wrong way to craft, no right way to craft. It's your creative process. There are safe ways to craft. Make sure you're being safe. But have fun with it. Make it your own. Like I said, I saw this floating around social media. They were making candle holders with the wax in the bowl. I liked the glue in the bowls together. I just wanted to add my own touch to it. So that was this. And here we come to the end of the glitter, the gluing the glitter, the melting process. And that's how I got that effect. Here is the finished product, how it came out. I love it. The next step is securing that glitter with crystal clear enamel. And again, I used my favorite kind. I love this brand. I use it all the time. I'll put the link in. Sprayed it all over. Final step is adding what you want to sit your candles on. So I used Dollar Tree rocks. These were Dollar Tree. You can use sand. You can use the clear stones that they have. This project, this bowl size took 2 bags, or 1.5 bags. And I put them in there, then evened them out, made a space for my little tea light candles, and then filled in around them so that it was even again. That wax on the outside was actually a beautiful accident. I wanted to try to pour the wax. It accidentally spilt on the outside, but spilled right on top of the glitter. So crafting, like I said, is all about having fun. That was actually an accident, but it worked out wonderfully. And this was the final project. I love how it came out. That, like I said, that was a beautiful accident, the wax spilling onto the bowl and just happened to drip over on the glitter side. But that's my project. The rocks protect, the bowl from getting too hot. It came out well. This will be sitting on my living room table, and I plan on making a lot more. I hope you do this project. I hope you have fun with it. I hope you be creative with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.